We're working on getting the pallet fencing done today. This is where the goats are going to be going, and as you can see, we've been busy pounding T-posts in, throwing pallets up, getting them all screwed together, getting some gates installed. So what we plan on doing here is running that whole pallet fence down to the end. As you can see, sorry, it ends right there. We will divide this into 3 separate sections. You can see those T-posts in the back. That is the first section, so this will be 1 paddock for the goats. And then the next middle one down further will be the kind of quarantine or breeding, any kind of overflow that we may need. And then there will be a 3rd one on the very end down on the hill, and that will be where either the boys or the girls go. We'll split them up at first. Here is where we're going to install one of the gates, and then there will be another 2 gates for each paddock as you go down this fence line. And you can see that one section right there, we still just have to finish up. Bunch of stuff we had from the old homestead. This top covering actually we had used as a shelter for our chickens for whenever it rained, their food stayed dry. We're actually doing something different with the chickens out here. We're going to rotate them a bit more so we don't want any permanent structures for them, and so we just reuse this as a roof to the shelter that our goats are going to go in. We are actually going to put a 4th side on this shelter while we're here because the threat of predators is so strong here that for now we just want to lock them up at night and not have to worry about that kind of stuff until we get better security measures for predators. It's starting to rain. We're just going to try to wrap this up and get as close as possible to done as we can.